What's going on, everybody? If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. I'm Micah's Goin. Today we're going trout fishing, as I'm sure you guys saw by the title. So we're gonna jump right into it. I'll see you guys on the water. And also, I forgot to film an intro, so I'm gonna have different clothes on. Why aren't they biting my worm? Ball power bait right now. When I got here, he was like, "Hey, come here, come here." And then I went over there and he showed me what he was using. He was like, "Just use this, trust me, trust me." And then he cast it, and like 15 seconds later, all I hear is, "Hey," and I look and he's just pulling another fish out, like right when I got here. I'm like, no way, he just caught one that fast. I got some. I got like the same setup now. Green, yeah. Oh, I missed it. Never mind. Yeah, something's wrong. I'm gonna go ask him what's wrong. Every time a fish hits it, my pole gets jerked around, and then it doesn't. The fish isn't getting hooked. Like this? Is that right or no?
Oh, no.
No?
No. The hooks is small ones. Ahorita chupo yo. Hey, please, let me. You wait a here. You have channel fish?
Yeah. I'm not that good though.
What is
I'm learning. Micah's Goin. My name's Micah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Right there. I put you two rows.
Hmm?
You 2 rows I put.
You sure?
Yeah. No, I put 2 rows. Hey, you can. Go. Take it inside now, have it. Take it spot. Esta lo va a levantar.
Oh yeah, thank you. Damn. That's crazy. Dang, I just met the coolest dudes ever, man.
If you don't want to grab it, that's what we normally do. Like, we freeze them and they die like that. And when we're gonna catch them, we just take them out.
Hey.
Wait.
Yeah?
No.
Oh, wait. Just touch it with the line and feel it.
Dile que la deje. Dile que la deje. ¿Sabes qué? Anda Monkey.
You want the net or not?
No, I'll take it out like that.
Habló con sí, DNC, que la meta.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Do. Está corriendo.
Oh shit.
I'll just take it out like that.
Hey, take it, yeah.
Just take it. Take it.
My bad.
No, you're good, you're good.
No mames. Ya me cagó.
What is that? That's what happened to me last time.
Dijo que no sabe qué es eso.
No sé qué sea.
Who knows? Probably like semen or something.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
Despacito, güey.
You don't want to catch it?
No, yo me la pongo. Claro, nomás es...
Of course. As soon as I walk away. Catch another one. Alright. Probably go down to the water for this. Alright. It's about as clean as that's gonna get. Alright. Now let's get to filleting. Right behind the spine bone. Or the backbone. I'm actually getting better at this. Okay, there's two. Okay, since I'm making sandwiches, I'm gonna cut it right down the middle. But I'm not gonna cut through the skin. Right here, I'm just gonna go at an angle and flatten it. And I'll just grab this other side of the fillet, just hold it and pull it. This is flour right here. Alright, just get some seasoning. Now let's season our fish. And then some cayenne pepper, spice it up a little bit. little bit of Cajun seasoning. Flip her over. Nope. Cornstarch, crisp it up more. Thick, a tiny bit more water. Test the oil a little bit. Definitely not hot enough. Whoa, it's not good. Dang. Wonder if I should put more tape or not use it. I'm not trying to die. It's really not a good idea, but oh yeah. I'm gonna do the one I want to use for a sandwich first in case it catches fire again. Oh, you can leave it right there. Thank you. I feel bad. Those poles are. I left my poles over there, and they're catching fish, and you know, like letting me keep them. Oh yeah. Alright, it's gonna be a quick fillet because there's stuff to do. There's one. Those are for the boys that just taught me how to catch a fish, actually. I've been out here guessing every other time. Woo! Y'all ready for the crunch? Trout fish fillet. Let's get it. Really good. Not as much fish as I would like, but still really good. Now the fun part, cleaning up. Oh! The hawk just took their fish. Wonder if I run up on him, what he's gonna do. He just snatched their fish, the whole trout. Let's see if I run up on him, what's he gonna do? See ya. Dang, the hawk just snatched their fish. That's so crazy. He said it tried to do it earlier too. Actually came out really good, real crunchy. Needs like some lime though. Oh, I forgot I brought. I forgot, bro. Let me just try one of these. Let me just try one of these nuggets while it's still. Ooh, this one's hot. That's better. It's honestly better than the sandwich. They caught like at least 5 fish over there since I left to cook. It's crazy. I bet you guys can see them in the background right there. They're catching them up. For you guys. How many fish you guys catch right now? Like 5?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, that's all for you guys. Got you. Yeah. All right, that is how you make a trout filet-o-fish sandwich right there on the lake. Let me know what you guys think of the video. Thanks for watching. Shout out Dean and his dad for showing me the ropes. I still got a lot to learn, so it's cool to meet people like that. Check out the links in the description to see all the other stuff that I'm doing. And other than that, I'm Micah's Goin, and I'll see y'all next week. You.